again is to see if air pressure affects how far a ball goes. Air pressure is the force that is exerted by air and that is compressed on the surface it comes in contact with. Almost everyone in the world uses balls, so we decided this would be a good project to do. The question is, does the amount of air pressure in a ball affect how far it will go? With putting different amounts of air into the same ball using a ball pump and a ball air pressure gauge, we can see whether putting more or less amount of air will affect how far a soccer ball will go. Air pressure is the pressure that is exerted by weight of a certain object with pressure. We may be able to determine the force in the object, which is the ball. Another element of this experiment is force and friction. Force is a simple pull and push. Okay. Leonardo da Vinci, who was born in 1452 and passed away in 1519, was told to be one of the first people to study friction. He studied this by realizing that friction is important in working machines. He focused on sliding and rolling friction. He made this observation that different materials move in different ways. Leonardo da Vinci did not publish his theories, for what he never got credit for. After Leonardo, Guglielmo Montons rediscovered Leonardo's two basic laws of friction. He believed that friction was a result of work done to lift one surface over another. The next scholar was Charles Auguste Coulomb. He added the second law of friction, strength law exactly. The second law of friction is called the Hamilton's-Coulomb law.
Our hypothesis is that if a ball is filled with full air pressure, then the ball will travel farther than a ball with less air pressure because of its elasticity and the smoothness of the ball. Also, if we kick the ball at a higher altitude, the ball will travel farther due to this decreased air density. Our variables are independent air pressure inside the ball, altitude, air density, dependent, soccer ball, control variable, amount of force to kick. We acquire soccer ball, air pressure drop, air ball, tape measure, timer, notepad, calculator to do our experiment. The experiment answers our hypothesis. If we test out the air pressure inside the soccer ball and see how far it goes, then the ball with the most amount of air pressure in it will go farther. The average distance that a ball with full air pressure it travels about 120.67 feet, while the ball with only half the air only travels at an average 104.3 feet. It also proved that if a ball travels at a higher altitude, it goes farther than the ball travels on a sea level.